So now let's solve the Titanic data from the logistic regression thing sheet. So select the table, sorry, come on, select the table, then go to add-ins, real stats, regression, then okay, finally logistics, okay, select output as I am selecting I, you can choose whatever, then okay, cancel, delete the graph, you don't want the graph, logistic regression, control down, down, down. Now over here just check your p-value, just reformat it with the comma. There are two values that are greater, just highlight them. Now which are the passenger ID and parts, so just go to your main table again. Okay, delete the passenger ID and parts, right click, delete. Now select the table, go down, then what are you going to do? Add-ins, real stat, again you're going to do the same thing, regression, okay, binary logistic, okay, then choose an output range, go at the end of it, BA is what I chose, okay, so you're gonna do the same thing, you don't need the graph, delete. Okay, now go over here, control down, down. Now check your p-value, just reformat it, use the comma, sorry, just reformat it, use the comma, all are less. So now you have the, you can just go to the main column, main table, copy the first five data values and the heading, copy, as I told you last time, just go at the end of it and then come back to logistic regression, then control down, 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 down. So okay, so you got this. Now just under this copy paste. Okay, now go up and search for ppread. So ppread is here, copy the first value, control down, and just go down. Now put it in a line where 3 0 22 1 and 0 is V. Okay, now just put one constraint for it, is equal to if this value is, sorry, let's do that again, equal to if this value sorry okay, now I understood, I didn't select the function. This value is greater than 0.5 comma 1 comma, sorry, comma 0. Okay, so we've added a constraint. Now we can check this and this. Now you got your answer. That's about it. Thanks.